Okay, this is a 2002 Cadillac Deville. Been working on it on and off a few days now, trying to diagnose a no crank, no start problem. The dash was lighting up, all the relays were clicking, but it just wouldn't start. What did all we check? We've replaced the starter, that didn't do it. Checked the relays. I messed with the neutral safety switch. Tried basically every problem I could find online. Any solution, couldn't find any solution. Except for buried deep in the comments of one YouTube video, a guy said, check the ground wire going to the motor. The original ground wire attaches to the frame right there. And it goes to the alternator down there, but the problem is the alternator side of it is very hard to get to. So the solution is just to install a second ground wire. So we use the same bolt on the frame, and then there is a threaded hole right here on the back of the power steering pump. So we use that. We probably ought to zip tie this ground wire down a little bit better so it doesn't look so rigged, but yeah, that fixed the problem. So if you're having issues with dash lighting up but no crank, no start, check your engine ground wire. Now, there's another ground wire on the battery here, of course, going from the negative down to right there. So this could also cause it, but in our case, this was not the problem.